Today we're talking about torque, and I have the flagship from our Breakaway line right here. So this is a Breakaway torque wrench, the 67751. It fits your 200 to 750 foot-pound range. It is dual scale, so it'll be foot-pounds or Newton meters. So this guy here breaks in the middle, so that's why we call it the Breakaway. So when it breaks open, you've got a very positive physical sign, and you can't over torque. So it's a very safe way to get proper torque on your wheels. It makes it very easy to do. So on this end here, the wrench features a removable adapter. So it comes out of the box set up as a 1-inch drive. If I want to do left-hand thread, I pop it out. It's got a ball detent. I pop it to the other side. If I want it to be a 3/4 inch wrench, you can purchase the optional 3/4 inch adapters. So you can put this back on, and we pop this over. This is how you adjust it, and as this is our flagship wrench, it'll very easily give you leverage because it is 8 inches longer than the 600 foot-pound version. So that's one of the reasons we're pushing this today. And then we're doing a dual promotion with this series of wrenches. It comes with two things. One, you will get the first calibration free with your purchase price. Two, this is a 67806 extension. It'll come with this free. It's a 14-inch extension. It fits right into the head and is also reversible for right and left-hand thread. This 14-inch size is most popular for the deep dish truck wheels. Now I'm going to turn you over to my good friend Don, who's going to talk to you a little bit about Torque It.
Thanks, Shane. So again, continue on with torque. If your customer decides that they don't want to use mechanical torque and they want something that's digital, we have our battery operated Torque It wrench. Okay, so again, digital torque, you can dial in your setting right here, plus or minus 5% accuracy to that set torque. Pull the trigger and go. Very simple operation, just like a standard drill. Okay, forward and reverse. In reverse, the gun does add a 15% bias for that extra back off power. So there's 4 different guns available, ranging anywhere from 120 foot-pounds all the way up to 3,000 foot-pounds. So depending on what your customer's torque value they're trying to hit or the program that they have, we can tailor to their torque setting or to their torque needs. Multiple reaction arms are available, so for the different applications. This standard reaction arm does come with the gun. And what we're actually doing for SEMA again this year is you buy any torque gun and you get the 67500 battery kit for free. Okay, so 2 batteries with the fast charger. The battery's charged in 60 minutes or less. So again, the 67510, 520, 530, and the E6 model are all on special. Continuing with our heavy duty line, we're proud to introduce our 14455 bottle jack. We have one of the best jacks in the industry with our 14460. And what we've done with that is we've taken those great things and we've improved on it and come up with our premium 14455. It's the first time that AME is actually going to put their name on a bottle jack, so we definitely believe that this is going to be a game changer for us. As you can see, we've made some changes with the Flexilla hose. Okay, we've added an inline air reducer, reduce the air pressure down to 90, so regardless of what inlet pressure the technician is running, you're always going to get the same PSI coming out. There's also been some internal changes with the upgrading of the air motor piston and with limiting rings inside the actual jack itself. The only thing that this jack is missing now is going to be a name. So we're going to reach out to our customers and have them come up with a name. So as part of the release for this at the beginning of Q1, we're also going to have a contest where you can have your name or the name that you come up with and put it on our bottle jack.
For complete details on the promotions and new products featured, please visit our website or reach out to any of the AME contacts. Thanks for your attention. We look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas at next year's show.